Hi guys! So we're gonna play dollhouse with my bestie. She's also my cousin. So this is our dollhouse. It's so cool, right? This is our dolls. We played that when we was once again a kid. Five. A kid. So we're gonna play it now and say hello to my little doggy. Maybe you can see it. So let's play. Okay. Come on. Come on. What's going on? Bro. Come on. We moved to this new house. Let's get the furniture. I'm gonna get this. Again, I'm gonna have nails. Let me open the door. I cannot tanggal my nails. I tanggal my nails. Kung itatanggal mo, hindi, parang hindi ibabalik. So, let's make it. Yay! Oh, this is the kitchen area. Let's put it up over. Oh, it's like wait, Kari, remember the cable? Yeah, what's the cable? Oh, wala na. This is yeah. So same. Let's go upstairs. Oh my god, the elevator. Me first, cause you're older. Cause I'm the second one. Oh, it's so beautiful. Come here. Oh my god, there's a pool. There's also a swing. What should
Oh, I
we
got it.
stream on TV? Let's let's go upstairs. Wait, let's just try this first. Wait, there's also slide. Let's just try the slide first. Okay, me first. Okay, cause you're older. Wow, it's so comfy. There's also a bed. Oh, wow. And there's a dresser. I want. Oh, let's go. It's a slide. I just like it. Oh my god, it was so fun. We're already on the second floor now. Oh my god. Oh my god, let's try it. Let's try this too. Oh, there's music. Oh my god, it's like me. Wait, I saw a balcony. Balcony? Where? Here. Oh yeah, let's and I can see the view. What about let's put the chair and let's put the chair over here. So I can see the wonderful. Oh, let's try it. Cool. Oh my god, I can see it. Okay. So after this, let's clean first. First, let's make some cookies for food. I thought that was muffin. Maybe it's ready. How did I thought that was muffin? Let's eat. Let's put it over here. Let's put it over here. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. It's so yummy. Nom nom nom. Now the plastic is over. Let's crack. Oh my god. Now let's watch movies. Let's go in the second one. Nom 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 nom. It's okay. And swim. Oh. Oh, let's swim. What? Let's. I'm gonna. Where? I'm gonna wear my shoes. Me, not me. I'm Slay. Then this one me. Okay. I'm so happy. Actually, wait. Let's go downstairs. I'm so hungry. I want some grapes. Wait, there's no grapes. We have grapes in the refrigerator. Oh. I'm gonna get the grapes. I love my nails. I'll take strawberry. Take this strawberry. Oh my god. That's good. Okay. Hello, mom. Can we get a bubble bath? I already got that. Let's go to bed. So, we're done for the video. So, bye. Bye.